Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Be sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Shoot us a comment below if you'd like to see an end card of your own, and like this video if you liked it, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. And that is how you use chopsticks. Well, if you like this video, guys, leave a like on it, leave a comment down below to let us know what you want to see us do next time, and subscribe to see more like this. Bye. Anyway, guys, that's the video for today. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment down below to let us know what you want to see next time. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more like it. We'll see you next time. So that's an unboxing of a Twizzlers Twist Strawberry Double Pack. Let us know. Let us know if you like this video. Like this video if you like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more like it, and let us know in the comments down below what you want to see next time. Thanks.